So I'm back with you again. This is Trans Am test car 9723 as seen on muscle car films. As you can see at the bottom, it says it was eventually fitted with a spoiler before the car finally disappeared in late 1970, presumably destroyed. It wasn't destroyed, it had dealer plates on it till the late 1970s, and I ended up with it. Here's the article entitled Pontiac Engineering Test Cars Extending the Model Year, the first 1970 Firebird Proposal. 1969, Pontiac didn't know if they were going to use the same F-bodies for 1970. So in order to try to fool the public, Pontiac added to this Trans Am test car, this is a mule car, they added body strip to give the whole body a wider stance. Factory riveted all the way down. Chrome the rally wheels. Put a rectangular light in the back, just like my car is. Now, as you see, on my car, you can see the factory rivets. This is through the door hole on the inside. You can see the leather headrest, high back bucket racing seats. You can see the back seat. You can see where the stitching goes all the way up. Factory rivets in the door. Factory rivets in the trunk. Rectangular. That's where the rectangular backlight was. Factory rivet, factory rivet, factory rivet. Website ultimategto.com. It shows the zones and some of the codes on the side. As you can see on my PHS, zone 23, dealer number 60. Okay, the dealer code 23, dealer code 60. The car was shipped to 23991. Come back here. That's PMD's racing division. This car has a Personnel Ferrari steering wheel. This steering wheel is actually the prototype for all steering wheels that were to come in 1970 and beyond. The 455 motor that came in it. Back in the car with you. This is the other side. There's factory rivets all the way down the side. I'm sticking my phone through the door so you can see. Factory rivet. Here's the PHS. Here's the options for it. Electronic trunk release, power disc brakes, power windows, air conditioning, custom trim, rear seat folding, decor group, turbo, speaker. I'm back with you. So what I did here was, they've never made no high back seats like this. They've never had stitching that goes all the way to the top of any of their back seats. They never had no trim molding. What I did was I layered the two photos. I kept the Mike Noun photo exactly the same as it was. I shrunk my photo down, scale to scale. Now watch as I change the opacity of the layer. You're going to start to see my motor in the car. I move the layer up. See the headrest? Look at the rear view. So once again, you can see the two overlaid. The rear view is pretty close to matching. The stitching on the back seat, everything lines up the headrest. This car is now for sale. You can call me at 209-597-6105, or my emails is td4design@yahoo.com.